What up world, this is Ryan Wilson. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 things to do in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. In May of 2019, I was fortunate enough to travel down south with my good friend Mikey, where we started the trip in La Fortuna, and there's a separate video for that, which I will link down below. But today, once again, we're focused on Tamarindo and all the amazing fun activities you can do there, specifically the top 5. So without further ado, here are the top 5 things to do in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Number 1. Have breakfast, lunch, or dinner by the beach. Whether you're catching a sunrise, a sunset, or something in between, you'll find that Tamarindo is full of good local dining. Being that Tamarindo is a small surf town, you're going to find that most of the meals are seafood based. However, if that's not your style, there's plenty of alternative options.
This man just brought us out food, and you immediately go, "Where's my margarita?"
Not like that.
Pretty much like that.
Chill.
Pretty much like that.
I told him I wanted another one.
That's true. That is
He
true.
didn't bring it.
He didn't bring it.
Now he knows. I'm serious.
Very serious. Very serious.
Number 2. Go on a cruise. Whether you opt for a booze cruise or a sunset cruise, you're sure to have a good time. Just make sure you book at least 48 hours in advance because the trips do sell out, and as always, bring your sunscreen.
Anything you gotta say?
Margarita time, baby.
Pura vida.
Activity number 2 actually segues into the third item on the list, which is go snorkeling or scuba diving. While you can certainly do these activities on their own, snorkeling is often attached to one of the cruise options, and it's a much more cost-effective way of doing it. Just make sure that you don't drink too much so you can enjoy what's underwater.
Oh, how old do you want me to be? Depends on what girl I'm talking to, you feel me?
You got this.
Activity number 4 is water sports. Whether that's surfing, fishing, jet skiing, doesn't matter what it is, this is the town to do it. We initially added Tamarindo to our list specifically for the surfing element. Mikey had never been prior to this trip, and my experience was minimal, so we wanted to take advantage of that. Unfortunately, the footage from surfing wind up getting corrupted, so all we have is the fishing experience, which was awesome in itself. We wound up catching fish and were able to cook it for dinner later.
Alright, so update for everyone. Boat engine won't start. They had us get out. They're gonna try and tow us out into the water and then start it from there. How are you feeling about our odds this morning? Not good. What I got? There we go. Hey baby, you're cooking dinner tonight. It's an appetizer. Alright world, so today Mikey and I went fishing this morning. We caught 7 fish all together and ultimately had them keep a few of them, fillet them up, and we got to keep that. So we went to the supermarket, bought a whole bunch of ingredients, and we're going to be making mahi-mahi tonight. I'm in charge of potatoes, Mikey's on the actual fish, and we'll let you know how it turns out. Update. Mikey's got it pre-prepared. He's got the first batch on, which we're going to throw in the fridge. Got potatoes, just waiting on that to heat up. Gonna throw some cheese on there. Be real basic, real good. All right, dinner is served. Pretty proud of this one. How you feeling about it so far, Mike? Boom.
Good.
It's pretty good when we tried it earlier, so pretty hyped on this. Got a feast. We got what we caught today, Caesar salad, and then I made some potatoes for us as well. Let's go.
Last but certainly not least is item number 5, enjoy the nightlife. With plenty of happy hours to choose from, you're sure to find somewhere that fits your style. If you're interested in going out for a more adventurous night in the town, you'll find that plenty of bars are open late. Mikey and I wound up frequenting Sharky's as our go-to destination.
Hey Mikey, where are we at?
We on the beach, baby.
There we go. Watching the last of the sunset, getting some drinks, probably gonna get some dinner, and then they have a nice little 70s, 80s, and 90s party. Mikey, what's going on?
Hello, Ryan.
Hello, Mikey. What are we doing here?
It started raining. Trying to figure out what to do.
There you go.
We might order a couple shots to get over this rain, and then find a club.
There you go. Still got our marks though. Hey Mikey, where are we going?
Pacifico Bar.
Okay. You're just taking us down like a random alley.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's in.
I get it. I understand.
I made it for the fans.
So there you have it. That was the top 5 things to do in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. If you're interested in seeing what you should be doing in La Fortuna, be sure to check out the link in the description below. As always, be sure to like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for future adventures. The next video is going to be from Maui, where I'm going with my good friend Max. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out the adventures on Instagram at thisisryanwilson.